May mga tao na hindi maka-move on because of their guilt. You know, a lot of us have made mistakes in our past, but we have to learn how to move on. Because God, once the Lord has forgiven us, God forgets. Kung ang Diyos makalimot, dapat kita makalimot. So that we cannot be stuck where we were. Okay? So sabi ni David, remember not the sins of my youth. According to your steadfast love, remember me. So, whenever we ask for forgiveness, we always recall God's love. Lord, agi sa imong gugma, pasaylo ako. I do not know what the Lord sees in us. Wako kabalo unsay nakita ni Lord nato. Wala gyud. There's nothing in us that would make us deserve His forgiveness. Yet, the Lord loves us so much. Ito yung tinatawag natin steadfast love.